Students, welcome back. Now we will solve the problems on laws of indices concept. Laws of indices, in the previous session we have studied about all these 7 laws. You should know all these 7 laws. Means as I am using these laws, I have written once again here. Okay. First problem you see, find m. Find the value of m so that this is equal to this much. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, LHS is equal to RHS ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. We need to find the value of m. Find ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ, ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. minus 3 to the power of something into minus 3 to the power of something. You see, bases are same. ಎರಡು ಬೇಸಸ್ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವ್ರಿ. ಎರಡು ಬೇಸಸ್ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲಾ ಯಾವುದು? a to the power m into a to the power of n. So I will use this. This is nothing but minus 3 to the power of m plus 1 plus 5, which is equal to minus 3 to the power of 7. Now you see, both side bases are same. Equal to symbol is there here in the sense. Whatever is there in the left hand side, same thing should be there in the right hand side also. So bases are same. Equate the exponents, that is m plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 7. m plus 1 plus 5 is nothing but m plus 6 equal to 7 is there in the sense m is equal to 7 minus 6. So value of m we got 1. Simple. All these problems are very much simple, very simple. Just we need to practice all these. From next class onwards, means next video onwards, we will start with the first PU syllabus. Fine. Here divided by is there. We can write it like 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power of minus 3, which is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Okay. Now we will have, you see, 5 raised to m by 5 raised to minus 3 means it is in the form a raised to m by a raised to n. Second law of index, that is nothing but a raised to m minus n. So this is 5 raised to m minus of minus 3 it is, because one more minus here is also minus is there, which is equal to 5 raised to 5. This is 5 to the power of m plus 3. This is nothing but 5 raised to 5. Both sides you see again bases are same. 5 m plus 3 is equal to 5, nothing but m is equal to 5 minus 3, m is equal to 2. Now solving this problem is to simplify this. 3y square whole to the power of 3. 3y square whole to the power of 3, you see, it is like RHS you see in the third law, AB whole to the power of m. AB whole to the power of m, using this law in reverse, this can be written as a to the power m into b to the power of m. Means 3 to the power of 3 into y square to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3. 3 is getting multiplied 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. That is nothing but 27. Next, y raised to 2 whole raised to 3. This 3 power is for the whole term of y square. Yes. Using the sixth law of index, that is nothing but a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Means y raised to 2 into 3. 27 into y raised to 6 we can write. Coming to the second problem under the simplify heading, x square whole to the power 4 is there. Yes, using this sixth law of index, that is nothing but x to the power of 2 into 4. X to the power of 2 into 4 in the sense x raised to 8, which is multiplied with 3 into x raised to 5 divided by 6 into x raised to 10. As multiplication is there, we can cancel 3 ones are 3 2s are. You see, in numerator x raised to 8 into x raised to 5 is remaining. Bases are same. Bases are same according to the first law of index, that is a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Means x raised to 8 plus 5 divided by 2 into x raised to 10. This is x raised to 13 divided by 2 into x raised to n. 2 you will leave as it is, as multiplication is there, don't worry. X raised to 13 by x raised to 10 which form second form, bases are same. That can be written like 1 by 2 into x raised to 13 minus 10 means 1 by 2 into x raised to 3 is the answer. Here these are simple problems. 8 into x raised to 0. This 0 power is only for the x. I told you anything to the power 0 is 1 means 8 into 1 which is equal to 8. Here you see 8x to the power 0 means this power 0 is for the whole term, so answer will be 1. Next, minus 2 into x raised to 4 whole to the power of 5. How to simplify this? Again you see product of 3 terms I can take. One is minus 1, second one is plus 2 and a third one is x raised to 4. Yes, let me write here minus 1 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of 5 which is multiplied with x raised to 4 whole raised to 5. Yes, minus 1 to the power of odd number, this is nothing but minus, put it minus 2 raised to 5. 2 is getting multiplied 5 times. Up to 2 raised to 10 you should remember always for the easy simplification, like 2 raised to 2 4, 2 raised to 3 8, 2 raised to 4 16, 2 raised to 5 32, 2 raised to 6 64, 2 raised to 7 128, 2 raised to 8 256, 2 raised to 9 512, 2 raised to 10 1024. Up to those you should remember. Those are very much required. Means while solving the problems, those values we will use repeatedly. 2 raised to 5 is nothing but 32. It gives us 32. X raised to 4 whole raised to 5. Using this sixth law of index, this can be written as x raised to 4 into 5. Nothing but minus 32 into x raised to 20. Next. Yes, I have written 6 more problems here. Let me solve. X minus 2i into x plus 2i. This multiplication is there. Means all these 6 problems is to simplify. Simple form ತಗೊಂಬರ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅರ್ಥ. X plus 2i into x minus 2i. See, we can multiply this. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, that is a plus b into a minus b. If it is there, this is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, you see a is x, b is 2i. If I use that formula, we have x square minus of 2i whole square. Sorry, b value is 2i here. That should be kept inside the bracket. X square minus of, you see, a into b whole square. A into b whole square, in the sense it is taking this third form in reverse. ab whole to the power of m can be written as a to the power m into b to the power of m. Means this is 2 to the power of 2 into y to the power of 2. So we have x square minus 4y square. Fine. Coming to the second problem, x into y raised to 7 by x cube into y raised to 4. See, I will rewrite this. Means I will write it like x by x cube which is multiplied with y raised to 7 by y raised to 4. Multiplication is there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiplication ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. x by x cube. You see, instead of using the laws of indices also we can take or else you see x only one time in the numerator, ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂಶದಲ್ಲಿ x ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x cube in the sense x is getting multiplied 3 times in the denominator. 3 times denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, x into x into x ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು x ಐತ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 x ಗಳು, ಒಂದೊಂದು x ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 1 by x square ಅಂತ ಉಳಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, y raised to 7 by y raised to 4. ಅಂದರೆ in numerator y 7 times it is getting multiplied. In denominator y how many times? 4 times it is getting multiplied. ಅಂದರೆ 4 times y ಅನ್ನು numerator ಮತ್ತು denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. How many times it remains in the numerator? 3 times it remains. So y cube by 1 we can write. This is nothing but y cube by x raised to 2. We can leave it here. Or else we can take this denominator to the numerator. ಈ denominator ನ numerator ಗೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು using this fifth law. This is nothing but x raised to minus 2 into y raised to 3. Further we can't do anything. Further ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಸ್ಗಳಾದರೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಡೈಸಸ್ಗಳಾದರೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಸ್ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದವ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಘಾತಸೂಚಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -2 ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ raised to minus 2 into y raised to 3. Next, this is very simple problem. Why I have taken this one? ನಾ ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ just to say how we can use this first law if there are 3 terms, if there are 4 terms or 5 terms like that. This law a raised to m into a raised to n, suppose I have a raised to p again. How this works? Same way, bases are same, bases are same in the sense a to the power of, add all the exponents, that is nothing but a to the power of m plus n plus p. So then suppose there are 4 terms are there, what to do? 4 terms ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ? a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power p into a to the power of q is there. Again we can do the same thing. That means a to the power of m plus n plus p plus q, like that. Suppose 5 terms, 4 terms, whatever may be. How many terms are there? N terms you take, same thing applies everywhere. Okay, x into x terms are there. Here power is 1, second term power is 3, and here a power is a 5. Means this can be written as x raised to 1 plus 3 plus 5. Nothing but x raised to 4 plus 5, 9. Answer is x raised to 9. Coming to the fourth problem here, 2x square into y, this is multiplied with minus 3x cube into y raised to 4. As multiplication is there, I can multiply these constant values directly. 2 into minus 3 is nothing but minus 6, and these like terms we can multiply. Like terms, you see, x square, base is x cube, base is x here again, bases are same. Means x square into x cube you write, then remaining y into y raised to 4 you write, minus 6 into, bases are same, using that first law of index, x raised to 2 plus 3, this is y raised to 1 plus 4, so minus 6 into x raised to 5 into y raised to 5 is the answer. Next, coming to the problem number 5, these constants we can directly multiply, means we can directly divide it. 9 ones are 9, 4s are minus 4 into, multiplication is there, m raised to 3 by m. If you are familiar enough with the calculations, ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲೋ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಡ್ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. PUC ಬಂದಿದ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ 3 ಎಮ್ಗಳಿದಾವ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಎಮ್ ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಎನ್ಗಳಿದಾವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಎನ್ಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಆ ಥರ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡೈಸಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡೈಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ 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 ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. m raised to 3 by m raised to n, which is multiplied with n raised to 5 by n raised to 4. You see, m 3 times, single time. One time you cancel the m. Minus 4 into m square remains. n raised to 5 by n raised to 4 means what? In numerator, ಅಂಶದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಎನ್ಗಳಿದಾವ್ರಿ, n raised to 4 in the denominator means ಛೇದದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಎನ್ಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಸೊ 4 ಎನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. How many terms, how many n's are remaining? Only 1 n is remaining in the numerator. So answer is minus 4m square into n. Now coming to this, I will write directly minus and minus becomes a plus. 8 ones are 8 6 are 6 into, I am writing directly C. C is 2 times, C is single time, 1 time C get cancels, only 1 C remains in the numerator. And what about the D? D 4 times, D only 1 time, 1 D get cancels. This is nothing but a D raised to 3. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡೈಸಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ರಿಸ್ ಟು 4 ಬೈ ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಐತಿಲ್ರಿ, ಪವರ್ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬೇಸಸ್ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಎ ರಿಸ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಬೈ ಎ ರಿಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎ ರಿಸ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಡಿ ರಿಸ್ ಟು 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಡಿ ರಿಸ್ ಟು 3 ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. 6 more problems we have here. First one, simplifying. This problems looks like somewhat bigger problems, a big simplification is there. But with these laws of indices, we can solve all these problems very easily. Very easily we can solve. See, 3 times x square into y raised to minus 3 divided by 12 into x raised to 6 into y cube is there. Here, easily 3 ones are 3 fours are those constants you can get cancel, means 1 by 4 remains. What about this x terms and y terms? Those two terms is separate. Our two terms are separation ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. y raised to minus 3 is there, y raised to 3 is there here. So you can't cancel it directly. Numerator denominator ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು, x we can cancel, x ಅನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ y ಅನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲ. 1 by 4 write as it is, x square by x raised to 6, and then y raised to minus 3 by y raised to plus 3. 1 by 4 as it is, this x raised to 2 by x raised to 6. For easy simplification, what you do, numerator you take to the denominator. x square ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಛೇದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ, sign of index will change. Means according to this fifth rule, we have 1 by x raised to this 6 as it is multiplied with x raised to minus 2. Okay, then numerator y raised to minus 3 is there, that term also you take to the denominator, that is 1 by y raised to 3 as it is. This numerator also we are taking to the denominator, means sign of index it changes, that minus 3 becomes a plus 3. So what is the answer here? 1 by 4 into multiplication is there, x raised to 6 into x raised to minus 2. Which law we will use? Bases are same in the sense it is like a raised to m plus n, x raised to 6 minus 2, nothing but x raised to 4. And then this y raised to 3 into y raised to 3 is nothing but y raised to 3 plus 3. Or you can take y raised to 3 whole square also, y raised to 3 whole square, that square, let me write y raised to 3 whole square, it is like a into a square we can write like that. Answer 1 by 4 x raised to 4 y raised to 3 whole square. We are using the sixth law, that is y raised to 6, 3 2s are 6. Next, to solve this second problem, you observe this index is negative. To have positive, what to do? Take it to the means change its, if it is there in the numerator, take it to the denominator. If it is there in the denominator, you take it to the numerator. It is there in numerator, so I will take it to the denominator. 1 by 2x cube into y raised to minus 3 whole raised to, now it is plus 2. Yes, coming to this in third form, you see ab whole raised to m is there, means bases are different, power m is there. So using that, what we can write? We can write it here 1 by 2 raised to 2 x raised to 3 whole raised to 2 y raised to minus 3 whole raised to 2 here. Fine. 1 by 2 raised to 2 4 x raised to 3 whole raised to 2. Using this sixth law, this is x raised to 6 and y raised to 3 whole raised to 2 is nothing but y raised to y raised to minus 3 into 2. You should not get confused like minus 3 2 times it is getting multiplied, so it becomes a plus and all. No, it's not the case. According to this, a is to m into n. M is negative, that's all. M negative at that time. Other than 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 3 the power ಅಲ್ಲ. 2 y raised to minus 3 the whole term the power ಅದು. According to this becomes y raised to minus 3 into 2. It is nothing but y raised to minus 6. Okay, y raised to minus 6. This y raised to minus 6, to write the positive index we will take to the numerator. This becomes y raised to 6 divided by 4 into x raised to 6. That is about second problem. I want to say one thing again. Already I said it in the previous session. What you do before I solve the problem here, you pause the video, solve on your own. You swanta solve madri, then you compare your answer with the answer I am solving here. Fine. I hope all of you are doing the same thing. Next, index is already positive. Index is positive I3. No need to worry. Directly you go with the third rule. Third rule and nodri, ab whole to the power. All bases will different idave. Power matra ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So here what you do, applying this third rule, 4 cube x raised to 4 whole raised to 3 y raised to minus 4 whole raised to 3. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, that is nothing but 64. 64 into, using the sixth law, that is nothing but x raised to 4 into 3, 12, y raised to minus 4 into 3, that is again minus 12. 64 into x raised to 12. If I take this y raised to minus 12 to the denominator, this becomes plus. So y raised to plus 12. You observe here, one more law we can use. Numerator and denominator is there. Bases are different. Andre ಆಧಾರಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದಾವ್ರಿ. This indices are same. Exponents 12 and 12. Means which law we will use here? You see, fourth law. A raised to m by b raised to n form it is, means b raised to m form it is. This can be written as a by b whole to the power of n. Nothing but 64 into x by y whole to the power of 12. Now, coming to the fourth problem. 5x square y into 2x raised to 4 into y raised to minus 3. We can multiply the like terms. ಅಂದರೆ similar terms. ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 5 into 2 10, x square into x raised to 4. You write those two together. ಅವೆರಡು ಥರನ ನೀವು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. y into y raised to minus 3. This is 10 into x raised to 2 plus 4. Y raised to 1 minus 3. Yes, we have 10 into x raised to 6. Y raised to minus 2. This y raised to minus 2, take it to the denominator. 10 into x raised to 6 divided by y square is the answer. That is the simplified form of the given algebraic expression. Fine. Now what to do here? It looks like somewhat bigger. ದೊಡ್ಡದೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. You see, first of all, it is like a by b whole to the power of a by b whole to the power of m format alaitre. Write it as it is there in the left hand side. Means this can be written as minus 7 a square b cube c raised to 0 whole to the power of minus 4 divided by 3 a cube b raised to 4 c raised to 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Now for easy simplification, what you do, take the numerator term to the denominator, denominator term to the numerator. This will be 3a cube b raised to 4 c raised to 3 whole to the power of 4 divided by minus 7 a square b cube c raised to 0 is how much? C raised to 0, anything to the power 0 is 1. We can leave that term. Whole to the power 4. Yes, just we interchange the numerator and denominator. Now we can simplify it easily. 3a cube, yes, this is 3 raised to 4, a raised to 3 whole raised to 4, b raised to 4 whole raised to 4, c raised to 3 whole raised to 4 divided by minus 1 to the power of 4, 7 to the power of 4, a square to the power of 4, and b cube to the power of 4. Yes, 3 is to 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 times it is getting multiplied. Answer is 81. A cube whole is to 4. A is to 12. B is to 4. Whole is to 4. It is nothing but B is to 16. This is C is to 12. Whole divided by minus 1 to the power of even number is there. That is nothing but plus 7 is to 4. We can just calculate and put the answer. A square whole is to 4 in the sense it is A is to 8. B is to 3 whole is to 4 in the sense this is B is to 12. 3 into 4. Okay, let me simplify. 81 I will keep as it is. A is to 12 is there. Here A is to 8 is there. 12 times 8 times. It is nothing but A is to 12 minus 8 I will write. And B terms. B is to 16 minus 12 means I am taking this B is to 12 to the numerator. C single term it is, keep this as it is. Whole divided by 7 is to 4. 7 is to 4 I think we will get around 2401 values. Check it. 81 into A is to 4 into B is to 4 into C is to 12 divided by 7 is to 4 is the answer here. Coming to the last problem. Again, you see the index is negative. What you do? First of all, before applying the numerator and denominator change, you apply this formula a by b whole to the power of m. A by b whole to the power of m is nothing but a raised to m by b raised to m. Yes, I will write here minus 2a cube b square. You see again c raised to 0 is there. C raised to 0. Anything to the power of 0 is a 1. That is 1. Leave it. Whole to the power of minus 2 divided by 3a square b cube c raised to 7 whole to the power of minus 2. To have positive index, what to do? Your denominator and numerator you interchange. This is nothing but 3a square b cube c raised to 7 whole raised to plus 2 because it is in the numerator now. And denominator minus 2a cube into b square whole raised to plus 2. We are simplifying this. What to do? Yes, again coming to the third law, ab whole to the power of m. This can be written as a raised to m into b raised to m. Like that, there are 4 terms, same law applicable. This is 3 square, a square whole square, b cube whole square, c raised to 7 whole square divided by minus 1 square, 2 raised to 2, a cube whole square, b square whole square, which is equal to, let me write it here, three square answer 9, a square whole square using the sixth law, that is a raised to 4, b raised to 3 to 6, b raised to 6, c raised to 14 divided by minus 1 square plus 4 a raised to 6 then b raised to 4. Okay. 9 into a terms you observe. A term nodri 4 will be there in the denominator. 4 times here 6 times. Take this a raised to 4 to the denominator, or else what you do, 4 times you cancel a in numerator and denominator. 2 times a will remain in the denominator. So 4a square denominator. And what about the b term? Numerator you see 6 times, denominator you see 4 times. So 4 times we can cancel b in both numerator and denominator. 9 into b square and into multiplied with the c raised to 14. That is single term. Okay. Thank you.